All right, John. The next thing we are working on is how to make a mobile app. Right? A mobile app. Are you excited? Yes. Right? I'm excited, right? So how do we make mobile apps? Typically, the way you have to make mobile app, you typically have to code it, program it using all kinds of programming languages like Java or Swift. But tonight, we're going to use a special tool called Turntable. All right, type Turntable, Tunkable.com. All right, good. And now it's telling us to get started, right? So get started essentially means that maybe we'll have to log in or sign up, and it's showing us samples of apps that have been built by people. Okay. So right now, go into login. I'm going into login right now. Click on that. If you don't have an account, you have to go to sign up. But if you already have an account, you go into login. So we're going into login. All right. Now it presents us with two options: cross-platform iOS and Android, or the classic platform. So we are going straight to the classic platform. All right. So click on that now. All right, because I've already gone into Talkable before to do something, it shows me an app I've already created. But right now we're going to create a fresh app. So let's go create a new app. All right, you see these four buttons: apps, my apps, create a new app, upload an app, test on a USB connection, Talkable live, provide QR code, save APK to my computer, and then help, of course, if you have problems or questions and whatever. So right now I'm just going to click create a new app. All right, so I'll do that. No, sorry. So right now you are going to do that: create a new app. Thank you. Name the app my first app. John's first app. John's first app. Good. Good job. All right, good. So click on it. So it's already telling you right now that it's ready. So what we're going to do, the first thing we're going to do right now is this, because you have to understand how an app works. All right, an app typically has the parts that we call the visible aspect, the buttons you press. All right, so we have to put the buttons in and code the button. All right, but for tonight, what we're simply going to do is we're going to create a button that changes the background color and changes the text on the button. All right, so first drag the button. This is where you have all your user interface or elements. Drag the button, drag it, put it there, right? And you can decide how high do you want to be. Do you want it to, how many pixels? You can type a number there, maybe 200 pixels. No, not that's a lot. Maybe like 100 or 200. Okay. Click OK. Click OK. Now that looks messed up. So let's go here again. Click automatic and click OK, and let's see what happens. So that makes it's a bigger button, and then we decide, okay, do we want it to be on the top or in the middle? So let's go here. No, you can't move it. You can't move it. Oh. So come here. It shows so right now it shows us what we can do. Do we want it to go up? Right now what we'll do is we just leave it as it is right now. That's okay. All right. So the next thing we want to do is the background. All right. This is the background, right? We want this background color to change. So for now, let's look for the background. All right. So So for the title bar, so if you look at this, right now it's telling us the background for this screen is white. Alright? We want to change that. So click on that. Click. So select another color. Right, good. Good. Alright, so we have that. Meanwhile, while we've done that, we need to go to the Google App Store. We need to go to the Google App Store. So go to the Google App Store. Let's go to the Play Store. Alright. And download Turntable. Look for Turntable. Okay. Say yes, I'm in. Now type Turntable. Alright, so what does this enable you to do? This app enables you to be able to preview your app on your phone. So this is your phone, right? So we'll be able to preview your app on this phone as soon as the app finishes installing. Okay? Alright? Okay. So right now it's telling us that it is installing. Okay? So while it's doing that, let's continue. So right now we have a button, right? We have a button and a blue background. Okay? Now the black background doesn't feel filled. So what we're going to do is go to just click center. Okay, so we've centered the button. All right, and all right. So right now, okay, it has finished. It has finished installing. Awesome. Right, click open. Okay, so right now, let's go and click live and let's see what happens. Let's click test. Right. Click Turntable live. Go on, press it. Turntable live. Yes, and scan QR code. Wait for it. So what's happening right now? There you go. So you have your first mobile app. Now it's not working yet. It's a work in progress, but we are getting there, okay? Alright, so you have your app. So right now, we need to make this app work. So what we've done right now is we've just done the design. But the way mobile apps work, you do the design, but you have to work on the code. So what are we going to do? We're coming here to work on the code. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is go to the screen. Right? On the screen, we are looking for a set of commands. Alright? And this one says that when button 1 is clicked, right? Do this. See that? When button 1 is clicked, do this. So we're going to drag this here. Alright? Okay. So I will do that so that you can do it for yourself. Okay. Click on the button. Say restore. Okay. Okay. Click save it on the screen right now. Okay. Click your first app. So sometimes it's trying to like save your stuff. So go to blocks. That's what we're doing now. So right now you can delete that and delete it. So you can do it by yourself. So now select button. And so essentially, if you see all this, essentially a set of commands. Click save it. So good. You drag that in, right? So what this is saying is that when this button is clicked, do this, right? So what we're going to do is select this, select that, click on that, click on the any component, click on the cross. Good. Good. Yeah. Click on that. So let's go back to our designer. Okay. So we have our background color. Awesome. So let's go back to blocks. Okay, so right now we'll say select the screen. So right now let's look for ceiling. All right. All right. So see what I did there? I brought this, and essentially what this is now saying is that when button 1 is clicked, right? Do this. And what do you want it to do? We want it to change the background color of the screen. All right. So I'll delete that so you can do it by yourself. Good. Now go back and do that by yourself. So screen 1, that's the background color. Okay, I think I have to. Okay, I have to check. It's wrong one. Let's get another one. Delete it. Let's go back. Let's see. See this. Yeah, try that one. Try that one. So good. So right now, what we're saying right now is that select the background color. Right? Okay, click. No, leave that. Let's go and change the color. Now select like colors. Click red or something. What color do you like? Awesome. Okay, good. All right, good. So let's go back into our design.
No, that's the same color. Sorry.
Oh, okay. All right. So use another color then. So right now we have, when this button is clicked, change the screen's background color to red, right? So let's go back to designer, but let's now go to test and go to your phone. Go to your phone. Let's see. All right. Let's see your phone.
I don't think it's been updated yet.
So click Thunkable Live. Again, try to do that. Okay. You can just.
I need to go back in.
So we go back in. Click. Open it. Scan the QR code. Alright. And now let's see what happens. Let's see what happens when you click the button. Click the button. Congratulations, John. You just created your first app. Alright? That is amazing, right? What do you think? So we can go back to it later, but you get the idea. So because of what you've done here, you actually created an app. And this app is actually ready to go to the App Store. We'll call it the Readifier, right? The button that turns stuff to all kinds of weird color. Okay?